Have you ever run into someone you weren't expecting to see? Maybe an old friend at the grocery store? Funny, right? You weren't running, and there was no actual collision. Yet we say, I ran into her yesterday. How did that happen? How did an expression about physical impact turn into one about chance meetings and surprises? Let's find out right here on the English Illuminator. The phrase run into began with its literal meaning, to collide with something while running or moving fast. Picture a medieval messenger racing on horseback through the forest, carrying an urgent message for the king, and running into a tree branch. Not exactly graceful. By the 1600s, English speakers were already using run into to describe these kinds of physical impacts. The ship ran into a storm, or he ran into trouble on the road. But then, English did what it loves to do. It got creative. That idea of a collision started to spread metaphorically. If you could run into a tree, why not run into a problem? Or even a person? Language, after all, is a bit like traffic. Words bump into new meanings all the time. Over the centuries, run into evolved into one of those flexible English phrases that work in several situations. We still use it literally. The car ran into the wall. But we also use it for surprises or challenges. I ran into my old boss downtown. We ran into some delays on the project. In American English, run into often sounds casual and conversational, the kind of thing you'd say in daily life. In British English, you might also hear bump into, which has the same friendly surprise built in. Let's look at how this plays out in real life. You go to a coffee shop, and suddenly there's your high school teacher. Wow, I ran into Mr. Thomas today. Or your car breaks down on the highway. We ran into some engine trouble. Or maybe your weekend plans fall apart because of the weather. We ran into some bad luck. Notice how it always involves something unexpected, something you didn't plan, but had to deal with anyway. That's the heart of this expression, run into, which captures those moments when life surprises us. Sometimes it's good, a happy reunion. Sometimes it's frustrating, an obstacle you didn't see coming. Either way, it reminds us that motion and discovery often come with a few collisions along the way. Maybe that's why English chose this phrase, because living, like running, means occasionally bumping into things and learning from what we meet on the path. If you'd like to explore more idioms and expressions, download my ebook or listen to the audiobook version. You'll find the link in the description below. While you're here, check out one of the videos now appearing on your screen to keep learning. Thanks for watching The English Illuminator. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me in the comments which expression you'd like me to explore next.